Have you ever looked at an old map and wondered where did these countries go? They did not sink into the ocean. They disappeared because power collapsed, war were lost, and people stopped believing in one flag. War and military defeat. War is the fastest way to erase a country when a nation loses a major war. The winners often break it apart or absorb it. Like South Vietnam vanished in 1975 after losing the Vietnam War. Prussia disappeared after World War II when Allied power dismantled it. Reason: losing a total war means losing your border. Political collapse. Political collapse is the reason a country disappeared from map. Like the South Union collapsed in 1991 due to the economic failure, political reform, and loss of central control. 50 new countries were born overnight. Ethnic and nationalist conflict. A country with many ethnic groups need unite. Without it, fragmentation begins. Yugoslavia broke apart in 1990s as ethnic nationalism turned into a violent civil war. Reason: one border cannot hold many identities forever. Could you ever imagine without a bloodshed a country separate? Yes, not all countries disappeared through a bloodshed. Czechoslovakia split peacefully in 1993 into a Czech Republic and Slovakia. Reason: sometimes people simple choose a different future. Last one reason to disappear a country from map. Global power shaped map. East Germany disappeared in 1990s after Cold War pressure and reunification with West Germany. Reason: small states often disappeared when a great power decides. Final truth: countries don't disappear randomly. They vanish because of war, collapse, division, or forced change. Mapped or rewritten by power, not by time.